Hey everyone, welcome to the CAS. My name is Ronnie. I'm a science tutor leader and I'm here with.
And I'm Azad, ESL tutor leader. Welcome.
All right, so at the CAS, we're here because we're dedicated to empowering students, right? We want students to achieve their maximum academic success, and we're here to support them. So, and we do that by believing that educational programs and services that we offer at campus should utilize multiple learning modalities. And we also believe in that all people deserve access to atmosphere of respect, right? And trust, openness. That's how they flourish in their academic journey. We're also committed to providing academic support to each and every student who walks in our virtual doors. And we do that with 160 tutors. That's more than half of what Sparta used, which is, I think, we need it. We need every single one of our soldiers, right?
This is spring 2021, and we have our tutor training schedule in front of us. We will have 4 of them. As you see, it's on February 4th, March 5th, April 16th, and May 7th. So all of them are like from 12 to 2:30, except the last one, 12 to 3:30. And this is the synchronous part of the training. Just remember that we didn't want you to be on Zoom for 4 or 5 hours. That's why you have the synchronous plus the asynchronous, which you have to finish. It's a asynchronous self-paced module that you have to finish it before each synchronous training at 9 a.m. The day of the training at 9 a.m. and you will have a week to do that. Another very important concept that we have, or meetings that we have, are mentor sessions. So those are meetings between tutor leaders and tutors. In those meetings, we exchange ideas and accomplishments to create a better learning and working environment. We create this together because we believe in the collective knowledge that we build together. And we also practice problem solving. There are 7 of us maximum in each session, and it is 45-minute session that new tutors do that and attend those sessions basically twice per semester, and continuing tutors, they do it just one. They have to, you can do it of course more if you want to, but that's the requirement. So, and just note that if you are late for your session, and that means 5 minutes late, that attendance doesn't count. So just make sure to be there on time. There are 2 types of tutors, general versus CET. General tutors are those tutors who tutor a certain subject. For instance, you are a mathematics tutor, right? But course embedded tutor are a tutor that are very specific. They tutor a specific course within a subject. For instance, you tutor ESL 8.
So now, the most important thing about tutoring is being able to give the access to tutoring to the students, right? And we do that through using the Canvas shell links. We're going to be using Canvas to do all of our tutoring this semester. And we're going to be using, for general tutoring, we're going to be using the general tutoring shells. And we have them on our course website. I'm just going to show you how you can get to the link so you can share them with the students. So you go to the Pierce website, right? You click on departments and programs. Once you click on that, it'll show you this page. You scroll down to C where it says Center for Academic Success. You click on that, and this is our website. A lot of useful information on it. I suggest you bookmark it or have it, put a star, have it as a favorite. Over there at the bottom, you'll see all the subjects that we offer at the CAS. Let's say if you want to, you're an anatomy tutor and you want to share your anatomy Canvas link with your students. You right-click on anatomy, right? And it'll show you this box, and you just click on copy a link. Now your link is copied. You can share it with your students wherever you want, through Facebook, Discord, Canvas, email, right? Or any other message tool that you use to communicate.
So that was a general tutoring way, right? But for CET, the scenario is different. Then we are added as tutors to a course Canvas shell. the way that do that, the professors fill out this form. Just make sure that the professors have it. If they don't, you can send them the link to this form using CAS Padlet. So if you go to the CAS Padlet, you see a link to this form, request to add a CAS tutor to your Canvas shell, and you can send the link to the professor to add you to the course Canvas shell. And why we have CETs, that's a question that we have, right? So we have CETs for gatekeeper courses, and those are those courses that students historically, they don't do that well that we expect them. So we add another resource to that course, which is a tutor, right, to help them. The CAETs usually are assigned to 1, 2, 3 section of a subject, and they work with the faculty who teach those sections. How you get paid as CET? So you get paid for connecting with the faculty and liaison and the time that you spend on it, connecting with the students online, and conducting study sessions and tutoring online, except if you're a volunteer tutor. So of course that's volunteer, but if not, you get paid for all of them, all of those things that you do. So we talk about working with the faculty and liaison and stuff. So here the idea of communication comes in, which is very crucial for success. So we have to really communicate, and communicating means just be sure that you know what is going on around you, right? But there is another concept that is very important when it comes to communicating, which are boundaries. So we communicate, but we also have some boundaries, right? So for instance, one of those things that we do at CAS is we use Canvas, message boards, Facebook study groups that we have for a course, Discord, and other formal platforms of communicating. And we usually don't like to exchange phone number with students and communicate through phone numbers or personal email addresses, right? So just have this in mind.